Hey, what's up? So I decided to make a little video how to export models, objects with materials and stuff from Blender, which is open source, as a Gltf file and import it into Ventuz. So it's really short, quick video. So what you do is you say you have your scene. I've been learning Blender recently, so I'm starting to pick it up pretty quick now. But now I want to bring it into Ventuz and bring some of this stuff I've been creating. So if I go export Gltf 2.0, and now it will let me choose a directory. So I already have one on my desktop, and then I have a sushi folder. And if I click on geometry tab here, so make sure apply modifiers is on if you're using modifiers in your scene, and hit export. Give it a few seconds, it should be there. There you go, there's the Gltf file. Now if you with the Gltf, with the format, you might have it as a binary, Gltf binary by default, and this will be turned off by default, which is not a problem. As long as you turn the, if you have modifiers, make sure these are on. I've tried the binary, that still works, but this one seems pretty good. The Gltf separate with the textures. I'll probably use this one, but let's go check. Let's go into Ventuz. Let's drag our Gltf file into it. Bam! There we go. The scene with all the pieces, and I like how the modifier, it knows how to bring in the modifiers, which is cool. Really straightforward, short tutorial. Hopefully it was useful for the Blender users. Hopefully I'll get better at Blender. Let's just quickly add a light into this, you know, make it a little bit fancy. Turn the shadows on if you want. Yeah. There we go. Now you got the options to add all your textures and, you know, play around with that, which is kind of cool. Hopefully it was useful. There we go. Nice glossy plate. And let's just change that slope bias a little bit. There we go. If we had a 2D gradient. There you go. Hopefully that was useful. Simple short tutorial for those Blender users out there, how quick it is to import. And export as a Gltf. You can export as OBJs as well. But Gltf works perfectly, so I'd recommend using that. Enjoy the rest of your evening, day, or good night. Bye bye.